What's going on, you guys? It's about that time. The spawn's about to happen. So, with that being said, I'm gonna tie the jigs that I told you guys I was gonna tie. I have a 1/32 ounce jig head. Hopefully, you guys can see that. With a size 6 sickle hook. Hopefully, you guys can see that. But yeah. So, we're gonna put it on the vise right here. We're gonna get right down to business. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of what I like to tie up for crappies. You already know I like the crappie magnet, the black and chartreuse. So, but this one, I'm going to use red thread on there. This is 210 denier flat wax. And let me see, I'm debating on should I do the easier one first or should I do the, you know what, we're just gonna go through with it. I'm gonna tie you guys a couple of crappie jigs that I live and die by. You already know I love my crappie magnets, black and chartreuse. Flat, hands down, kills it in any water condition. I don't care where you're at, if you got chocolate water or whatever, hey man, it will shine. And I have video to prove it. I'm trying to pick you guys some marabous right now for the tail part. We're just gonna get right into it. Right here. This right here, people might consider like a trash one, you know, but I make it all work. So, what you want to do first is grab your Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails and put that down for the thread base. Sorry, I have to look over my glasses sometimes because, you know, old age. But anyways, 210 denier, red thread, flat wax. So we're just gonna wrap it like that. I'm gonna wrap it over this tag end. Take it all the way back to the tip of the hook right there. Then we're gonna bring it all the way back. Now snip that off. We'll take our now we'll take our marabou. This is the trash part where nobody likes using, but they work. They've been working for me. So I peeled off a couple from both sides. Now I just pull it up like that. See how that is? Now we'll line it up. We'll measure it from the hook bend to the tip of the jig head. That's how I do it. Right there. Then right there. We'll cut it off right here. I hope I go through all this pretty good with you guys. Put it right there at the base of the head. Wrap it loosely. I will be making a bunch of these because the spawn is on. You guys seen the video. They're getting ready. So wrap it a couple times loosely and make sure it covers the hook shank. Then tighten it down, and I bring it to about almost the tip of the hook. No, we'll bring it to the tip of the hook. Yep. Make sure you cover all that. You really don't have to because of the Chanel that we're about to put on it. But before the Chanel, we're gonna put a little bit of, you know, bling, you know. Crystal flash. This isn't crystal flash. I forgot where I put my crystal flash, but these are some red ones. It matches the thread. So really you only need 2 strands. So you have 2 strands. Hopefully you guys can see that. We're gonna fold it in half. We're gonna wrap it around this thread. Bring it up. Make sure it's tight, it's even. Bring it up. Wrap it down real quick. Not too tight. Now you take 2 strands, put it on one side, and take the other 2 strands, put it on the other side, and hold it down. My way is not the correct way. It's my way. And I don't mean to sound rude or anything, but yeah. You hold it on both sides, on this side and this side. So that way it'll be even. Now you can wrap this on down. I like to bring it all the way to the front. And I'll tell you here in a second. Now you put a flash and cut it just about maybe an 1/8 inch behind that marabou. Now what we're gonna use is right here. This one is called Woolly Bugger Chanel Small Black. It got like little crystals in there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me see. Let me try to show you guys. Yeah, you guys can see that, the little flakes and stuff. It's not really flakes, it's more like Chanel's. They wrapped it up in there. I wrap from the head all the way down. Watch, I'll show you. Wrap it down, secure it, and bring your thread all the way back. You will have to take it all the way back up front though. Just like so. Reason being, some people start it back here, and then back here will be bulkier, and then the top at the neck, it'll be small. And to me, I don't like that. So I wrap it from the neck all the way down, and then you just twist it. If you have a rotary vise, it works great. Okay, finish wrapping it. Make sure it's nice and tight. You can put some Sally Hansen's on there if you wanted to secure it, but I've never really seen fish pull this off. You'll lose it before anything. And this is one thing why I love like hand ties a lot better than plastic. It lasts way longer. A lot longer, I should say. Now, I didn't explain what I did, but you bring your thread, it's on this side, and then the Chanel is on this side, my side. Wrap over the Chanel, and then wrap it around the neck, and then do it again. Then wrap it around the neck. Then you can go ahead and cut you off some of the Chanel. Put that aside. I'll pull back the Chanel a little bit and just wrap it up. And then we tie it up. Six. I do 5, 6 wraps on there. You can do whatever you want. Now we'll be tying a bunch of these up. Of course, I'm not gonna let you guys sit and watch this though. See, that's pretty. It's pretty. Now we put some Sally Hansen nail, hard as nails, onto the base of the head, onto the thread that we just tied up. That way it doesn't go anywhere. And there you go. Oh, trust me, that feather, it'll look a lot better in the water. But I think that's gonna be dope. That's gonna be killer right there, because I've been killing it with the black and chartreuse crappie magnet. So we're gonna do it with that one. I don't know in your neck of the woods, but my neck of the woods, Walmart neck of the woods, it's called Popeyes. I'm about to do one with a straight J hook, size 1/16 ounce jig head. Nothing special about it. Put it in a vise. This next one is called a Popeye. And it's so simple, but it is so effective. You can put a piece of nightcrawler on there, a piece of red worm. My favorite to put on there is waxworm. It's killer. I'm about to show you guys. Alright, this next one is a Popeye jig. My all-time favorite. It's so easy to tie up. All you need is some hackle feathers. I don't have the best, but I make do with what I got. They still work. I mean, it doesn't matter. This one's straight right here, so we can just pull them out. You can use 3 or 4 of them, whatever you prefer. You can blend them too with like black, red, blue, whatever comes to mind. So we're just gonna we're gonna get the thread base down first. And you don't have to take it that far. I take it about maybe 1/8, maybe just a little bit more. It's my bobbin holder right here. It's getting in the way. You can get these off Amazon. I got them from Bass Pro. Alright, so I made it about 1 inch short. I don't know why I thought it was supposed to be a little bit longer than that. So you put it at the base of the jig head. 2 loose wraps, 3, 4, and then you can move it to where you like it. That's 2 right there. Now, like I said, the way I do it, it might not work for you guys, but Eric Massey, I watch a lot of his videos. I watch a lot of people's videos so I can get different point of views. So I'm about to put 2 more on this side. And Eric, he usually put 2 on each side and 2 at the top, but I don't. Now you cinch it down. I don't like bringing the thread, I don't like making the thread too wide. Maybe 1/8 inch, give or take, and that's it. This is the easiest one, but it is so effective. I don't understand why, but it is so effective. Wrap it 5-6 times. Tighten it. Cut it. Now, with these Popeye jigs, I don't like to use super glue or Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails. I like to use this Seasons on the Fly adhesive. It's a UV. So you need your flashlight. So I like to put a little bit. I don't know why it's been bubbling. That makes it like really glossy. Really, really glossy. And you can add on top of it. Then you hit it with the UV light. Well, there you go. And instantly it cures. And that's all it is. That's it. But it is so effective for crappies, for bluegills. I'm telling you, I love tying these up. They're so simple, like so easy to, like so quick to do. And then, like I told you, you can add waxworm because there's nothing underneath there. There's no Chanels or nothing underneath there. You can add waxworms, little earthworms or whatever. And I'll show you guys more because I got something else to show you guys too. I don't want to give it away right now. It's a secret, but you guys will love it. I'll be able to tie this on the water anytime. If I lose a bunch of them, I have a bunch of the jig heads made. I haven't re-upped my box yet, but I got this from Bass Pro. It's a fly box. It's a White River. This the riverside. This the lakeside. Crappies, bluegills and stuff. And you can put a lot. I mean, a lot. I need to re-up on this though. But yeah, that's all I do when I tie up my stuff. I want to start like really using everything I tie instead of buying plastics, because I have a lot of this stuff. I don't know if you guys remember me telling you that. Oh, with this, I'm not sure if I told you guys, but you can put flash on there if you want to. I know people that do, but I don't. There's no need to. It works perfectly, like great. I'm telling you guys, these guys are effective. Like, I mean, deadly effective. Comment down below if you guys, what you guys think about it, or if you guys ever used a Popeye jig or anything like that, or any hand-tied stuff. And if you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And so with everything being said, with the Chanels, the Sparkles, and the regular Popeyes, we'll be using them this weekend, hopefully. And like I said, I do have a surprise for you guys, and hopefully I get to use it this weekend. But if you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to see more or different style stuff for hybrids, hybrid bass, striped bass, walleye, saugers, saweyes, bass, or whatever, crappies, bluegills, whatever have you. But I thank you guys for the love and support, like a whole bunch. I appreciate you guys a whole bunch. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the water. The storm is coming.